Today in your 5th grade English notes, we're going to open up to page 36 and work on titles. So titles have a couple of different rules. You need to capitalize important words in a title. Use quotes around short works like articles, chapters, songs, and poems. Use underlining for longer works when handwritten, or use italics for longer works when typed. Okay, so the words we need to know are what are italics and underlining. So italics are words shown at a slant when typed. And how you would do that is you would highlight the word, and my bar is slightly out of the window, but next to your font and size, there's a B for bold and then a slanted I for italics. When you press that slanted I, it then takes your words and takes them from being shown in regular font to a slightly slanted font. Underlining is just a line under the text, and that would be in the same place. So we have the B for bold, I for italics, and then U for underline. And all we do is highlight it and click that U for underline, and it gives us a nice line under our text. And I will also make that transparent right there. So those are our vocab. Italics, words shown in a slant, underline when there's a line under the text. Capitals. So for the most part, what you're going to think is, if the word's in the title, it's going to be capitalized. But really what it comes down to, there are a couple of words that end up not being capitalized. So all the important words are capitalized, and then the first word in the title is always capitalized. But otherwise, if the words come in between, you would not capitalize small words, including words like the, of. Those words would then just all stay lowercase. Looking at what gets put in quotation marks and what gets in italics or underlined, a smaller work like a song, poem, article, or stories that are included in a larger book, they all get quotation marks. But italics, they're for bigger things, like an entire book, a magazine. Things like ships and planes, they have names, they would be in italics. And music albums. So a single song, put it in quotation marks. The entire album of music, that gets italics. So use in a sentence for quotations. This one actually has both. Encanto has many songs, but We Don't Talk About Bruno is currently topping the charts. So the name of the whole movie, that gets italicized. The song title is put into quotations because it's a smaller part of something bigger. And then for use in a sentence for italics, Columbus sailed on the Santa Maria. So you would put in italics Santa Maria because it is the name of that ship.